symbol is they put it in the ignition and the alarm goes off. The reason for this is simple to fix, but if you look at the panic button, you can actually see that it's raised just a little bit right there. So all you're going to do is just lower that, and that'll fix the key issue of putting it in the ignition and not starting and the panic going off. The panic button is just getting pushed. So the easy fix for that is going to be take these off like this, pull it apart. This is my fix. Everybody kind of will have their way of doing it, but I do a lot of them this way, and it's pretty quick and fast. You pull the this off up front. This right here is too high. Right there. That right there. And I trimmed this guy and this guy real quick. Cut down like that. Doesn't take much. Slide it in there. Assemble it all back together. Problem's fixed. If you look at it, it's no longer sticking up. You won't ever have this problem. And the more that you do, the quicker it is. And this is just because one factory had some of these that were just a little bit taller. Matter of fact, I got a new batch and I didn't have this problem. So this is just an easy, quick fix for y'all guys.